Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account to Frollo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Frollo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Once you're signed in, on the screen you can see options like dashboard and portfolio on the bottom of the screen. Under dashboard, you can see connect accounts option. Tap on connect accounts. Then this will appear on a screen where you can see accounts and assets and liabilities. Under accounts, you can see a search bar. Go ahead, look for the bank account, then tap on it. Now tap on continue, then select the time period that you want to give access or grant access to Frollo for. I'm gonna select 3 months, then tap on next. Once you do that, you're gonna have to give consent that if you want to share the account balance and details or transaction details there, then tap on next. Now you're gonna have to select the I consent option from the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you if you want to redirect to your bank. Tap on connect, then you're gonna have to go ahead and tap on continue to redirect to the browser, where you're gonna have to go ahead and give your member number and give few details that the website asks, and that's it. And guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.